and welcome on NS Designer website. Today I'm going to show you how to make personalized medical ID card with photo in less than 1 minute. You can watch a more detailed presentation before you start in the product description. Now let's click on Start and Uploading Design, then click Design here. On the left side, you can choose from templates, clip arts, photos, elements, and you can edit the layers. In the next step, you can choose the template you wish to use. On the right side, with the small arrows, you can change the front and the back side of the card. You can change every element size with clicking on it and moving the mouse. You can also change the color of the elements of the design. If you like to cancel your last step, just undo the task with this arrow. To edit your details, go to the back side of the design and simply click on the details what you like to edit. If you like, you can remove lines or you can add extra text field with duplicating the existing fields. You can change the size and color for the text from the top menu. Now let's remove the template photo by right-click and choose Delete. Now go to the Photos and choose Upload from your computer. Once it's uploaded, it's going to appear on your design, where you can adjust the size and position with your mouse. Once your design is ready, press Proceed in the top right corner and go to the Checkout, where you can use PayPal and Stripe credit card payment. If you have any question, please don't hesitate to contact with us using the contact form on our website. Thank you for your time.